Hey guys, this is Daniel N0RAY with BridgeCom Systems. Just getting in from Hamcation 2020 in Orlando, Florida. Thank you all guys for coming by the booth. We really appreciate it. Really had a lot of good conversation with you guys. Love hearing what you have to say. Love helping you and just interacting with you at these shows. Really fun time. Now a lot of you guys actually entered into this giveaway that we had. We're giving away an AnyTone ATD 578 UV3 Pro Tri-Band DMR mobile, exclusive just to people that signed up at the booth. Got a box here full of entries, all the slips of paper you guys put in the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw one blindly from the box right now. So right before I do that though, keep in mind we do have another giveaway going on right now. You can win a mobile and much more on our website, link somewhere around this video. At the time of this recording, we're out of stock on most items. We still have the AnyTone 578 UV Pro, which is the dual band mobile, part 90, so that's available right now. Everything else is pretty much sold out, but we will be letting you know as soon as we get that stock back in. So make sure to keep an eye on your email for that, and make sure to sign up for the giveaway. And without further ado, let me go ahead and draw the name. Now, the winner must have a valid amateur radio call sign to win. We will be notifying you directly via email if you are the winner and you have 72 hours to claim your prize, or we will draw somebody else. So let me shake it up, kind of. And the winner is, blank slip. Let's see, second chance. The winner is Hunter Maslin, K4HMM. Let's see. So we'll be verifying you're a real person and your call sign's legit, but congratulations, Hunter. You've won the AnyTone Tri-Band Mobile. We'll be emailing you out with details about how to claim that. And thank you everybody that signed up. We really appreciate it. We love having these giveaways for you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next chapter. This is Daniel N0RAY with BridgeCom Systems 73.